Thanks to the rapid development of modern agricultural technology, nearly 1 billion pounds of blueberries are harvested, processed, and preserved in North America each year. These berries are no longer picked entirely by hand, but are harvested using massive mechanized systems that move directly over each row of bushes. When the machine is in operation, vibrating bars apply controlled pressure to the tree trunk, causing the ripe blueberries to fall and be collected on soft conveyor belts below. Conveyor belts continuously transport the fruit to containers or trailers, reducing labor costs and increasing harvesting efficiency in a short time. However, the mechanization process also carries risks. Immature fruit, overripe fruit, or strong impacts can cause bruising and damage, making post-harvest sorting a mandatory step to ensure quality. Simultaneously, harvesting technology is constantly being improved with softer contact surfaces, more accurate ripeness sensors, and optimized fruit placement systems to reduce impact. Immediately after harvesting, blueberries are transported to the processing facility in large containers and quickly placed onto conveyor belts, officially entering the industrial processing stage. The conveyor system plays a central role, ensuring a continuous, stable flow of fruit without congestion throughout the production line. The first steps involve primary washing, where the berries are shaken and screened to remove debris, leaves, and substandard fruit. Vibrating tables and oscillating platforms allow for initial sorting, retaining only the standard quality berries for further processing. Next, the blueberries undergo a second wash with jets and nozzles arranged along the conveyor belt, which helps to deeply clean and completely remove any remaining dirt. Next is the drying process, where excess moisture is carefully controlled, because proper drying is crucial to the shelf life and quality of the fruit. In the next stage, AI technology began to play a key role in the sorting process. The conveyor system was divided into many small lanes, separating each blueberry and passing them through intelligent scanning units. 14 high-speed cameras, combined with computer vision algorithms, analyze each fruit, determining its ripeness, size, color, shape, and potential defects. Bruises, cracks, mold, insects, or foreign objects are detected almost instantly. The image data is then processed by AI software, allowing for the classification of blueberries into various quality levels with high accuracy. Thousands of blueberries can be inspected per minute, while human error is minimized. After being evaluated by the AI system, the blueberries are precisely guided by automated mechanisms on the conveyor line. Some systems use compressed air to remove defective fruit, while others use mechanical gates or conveyor belts to separate the product according to quality grades. Despite increasingly advanced technology, humans are still involved in the final stage. This manual inspection aims to detect defects that machines might miss before the blueberries are moved on to the packaging stage. The automated packaging system accurately weighs each portion and affixes complete labels, including weight, type, and necessary information. This process helps preserve the freshness and shape of the blueberries until they reach the market. A large portion of blueberries, after being packaged, goes directly to the fresh produce market, where they appear in supermarkets, grocery stores, and farmers markets to serve daily consumer needs. The remainder of the yield is transferred to the freezing processing line to extend shelf life and expand distribution capacity. At specialized facilities, blueberries pass through a rapid freezing tunnel system, where temperatures are typically maintained below -18 degrees Celsius. High-speed cold air currents cause the water inside the fruit to freeze almost instantly, creating tiny ice crystals that help limit cell damage and preserve the fruit's natural texture. Whether fresh or frozen, blueberries retain their distinctive flavor and nutritional value. These berries are present in pancakes, muffins, smoothies, salads, and many other familiar dishes on the dinner table every day. Behind every tiny blueberry lies a complex technological system, a series of precise decisions and close coordination between machines, artificial intelligence, and humans. If you want to continue exploring the most modern production lines in the world, check out our next video.